Let's create a simple full damage system in Unreal Engine 5. So if we go over to our third person character, as you can see here, I've already set up a basic health system, so be sure to check out my other videos for that. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get event on landed. So when we land, we want to call this function. So we're going to get the velocity, and this is target self, so the third person character. Then we're going to split the structure pin, as we're only interested in the Z value. And we're going to change this to an absolute, because this is a negative value and we want a positive, just so it's a bit easier to work with. And then we're going to set a threshold of when we want to apply damage based on the velocity. So we only want to apply damage if they're exceeding a certain speed. So for this threshold, I'm going to put 750 for now, but you can tweak this if you'd like. And we'll simply plug this into a branch, like so. Then from here, if this is true and we're exceeding our threshold, we're going to apply damage. We're going to apply damage to self, so we'll get a reference to self. Then we're simply going to calculate the amount of damage we want to apply. So we're going to scale this based on the velocity. So if we grab from here, let's add a simple multiply. And then we'll just multiply this by 0.05. Again, you can tweak this if you'd like. And we'll plug that into the base damage. And if we hit compile and save, then if we go over to our map and press play, you can see if we fall off here, we take some damage. And then if we fall off again, we die. And obviously this damage is based on our velocity. So that's how you create a simple full damage system in Unreal Engine 5. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.